Sorry.
Failed.
Hello, in this video I will show you how to program a smart electric lock. So first we will press star, sorry,
Unlock information.
first we will press star, then hash,
Input administration information.
and it will ask simple administration information. So there is default password to enter in the programming. So the default password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is default password. After enter this password you need to press hash.
Press
Now
1
it
for
will enter in the
administrator settings.
programming.
Press 2 for user settings. Press 3 for system settings. Press 4 to reboot system.
The system will ask for administrator settings, press 1. For user settings, press 2. And number 3 is for system settings, and number 4 is for reset settings. I will press 1 for admin settings.
Press 1 to add administrator settings. Press 2 to delete administrator. Press 3 networking settings.
So then it will ask press 1 for adding admin. So we add the admin for press 1.
Input administration
Now
information.
it will enter admin settings. Now we add the admin. So there is 3 methods. One is fingerprint and second one is password. So first we will try with fingerprint. I will add my fingerprint.
Please input again.
So we need to add fingerprint 4 times. I will put my finger again.
Please input again. Please input again. 0 0.
And now my fingerprint is added there. Now I will add
Administration
password,
information.
and password is 6 to 8 digit. So I will make password.
Please input again.
And we need to enter password 2 times. I will enter again. And now password is added successfully. Now
Input administration
we add
information.
this card. Just I put card on the keypad and see it will add.
Successful. Input administration information.
And I put second card
0
and
0 4.
our both cards are added.
Input
So
administration information.
when I finish this programming, I need to press start 4 times to exit from programming. Now our log is successfully configured. So I will test.
Unlocked.
So see, it will unlock. And now I check with card.
Unlocked.
See, it's working with card also. Now I will enter the password. After entering the password, you need to press hash
Unlocked.
and see it will unlock. Okay, thank you.